Well, that's the last video for now for the RV revamp. I must tell you it's gonna be a little bit choppy because I did a lot of work, but not a lot of filming. Sometimes you were spraying and I didn't want to ruin the camera. So stay tuned. This is June 4th. Let's go, yeah. Today I'm not working on the RV, but I want to show you where I'm at. The front is done, the back is done, the other side is done, and we're down to this part. Gotta paint the stash black and the dark brown there. The rest has been done. I redid the red and the gold there. Oh, it's raining on you, poor buddy. Okay. So what I need to do? Oh, I got a little bit of. No, it's yeah, I got a flare there. Something. But it's raining today. There's still lines to be traced. And this is the back. Not so bad. And this is the side. You already seen on the last video, I guess. Maybe one difference, I added this thing, made that somewhere in the industrial park. I'll tell you this story later. And that's the front. And I also added a sign there. So almost done. On maybe one day work and we'll be done. This is the dollar store epoxy. It's not very good, I think. Gap between the two. My gates were a little bit optimistic. Let's sink the first piece of wood in there. So when you're gonna go in the corner, you know your cover stands by two little piece of stick sunk into it box. I think this is stronger than it used. I think I'm just gonna clean it. Maybe a little bit of sandpaper. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's quite strong now. It might rain any minute, so I cannot do much except use that paint. It's Color truck stop stuff. In fact, I think it's gonna start to rain. Jeez. But this thing dries so fast I can afford to paint that. But the brown I can. Look at the weather. It's clearing up and it shouldn't be raining again. So finish taping the brown. Everything is taped and I scratch it with sandpaper 280 something. I don't know if it's gonna show in the camera there. There was a little problem here. I just stand it so it will bite into something. So I'm about to shoot the brown. Wife has to refresh the look of that thing. So I'm gonna remove the windows like I did. Cover just that. Maybe brush that a little bit. Okay, remove that, the windows. Cover it. I'm gonna shoot at the same time. This side. What do you think? Yeah, I still have 2 windows to do. I'll do those when the brown is hardens tomorrow. And there's one section missing. and that is the wall when you put the slide out. But in order to put the slide out, I need to have the truck level. That means it must be turned around. Well, maybe not. I can just put the jack on the back. Yeah, I can level them. I'm gonna put a block and jack the back with the jack. But I bought this at the auto store, 3,000 pounds, because I've been postponing that job for months. It's time to go under there and install the new springs. So I'm gonna need this thing to pull on the spring tension to bring it up. I'll bring the camera down if I can. Well, 10 minutes later, I may say 10 minutes and barely 10 minutes later, here we are. Now, it took 5 minutes to install. This one is a little bit looser, so just a pair of vice grip. I was able to pull on it. And the other one, I used this thing. While the hook was, I used a smaller hook. Where is it? Oh, anyway, I just hooked the spring with a smaller hook that was attached to this hook, and I pump it while the jack was up. I pumped and pulled the spring right until the ring was near the entrance, and I took a rubber mallet and punched it. It grabbed and I got loose. Give her a second punch and it was there. 5 minutes, 5 minute jobs. Very easy to do. I'm very happy it's done. Been on my mind for the last couple of months. Now I'll do a test though. I didn't see it retract. So I'm gonna leave it running and you'll see if it works. So we got power in that box, 12 volt plug I just got. So I just need to put that outside, hide it right in the back of the post, and glue that thing. I don't know what this camera will pick up, so I'll show you tomorrow how I install that, but I like it. I called the company that made my logo there, because I'm gonna put one right here to make me forget about the crack there. We're gonna make it busy, so it's gonna be gone. I think if I just lay it there, it's gonna be easy. Maybe this way. Yeah, I think there would be the best. This cost me, I designed that myself, sent them the picture. They charged me 30 bucks to change that into a cutting pattern, plus 10 bucks a piece for those. So I have put some in the front and the side. I ordered 4, but I don't think I'm gonna change the one on the back. I think I'm gonna leave it there. It's okay. I think I'm gonna move it just one bit. Move it. Move it. Right. Like something like that. And a little bit higher. We don't need it anymore. Where's my piece of tape? That's where it goes. By the way, the tape is micro pores, So if there's a bubble, you just push on it. So just when you think you're done, you realize, yeah, I might have forgot something. Like this extension. It's not that bad but it's not that big of a job to paint it beige, and this part here, the red, doesn't belong there anymore. So I'm just gonna tape everything, and I also have to do the window frames in black after that. Okay, just clean out the paint gun for the last time, I hope. Well, it's not the last time, my wife just reminded me. We have to paint the old barbecue set, I mean the backyard set, but that's another story. So, with that thing, there's a small fly there. I thought she was going in there. That, added to this and that, I think I just use about 1 gallon of beige for the entire RV. Maybe paint a little bit more of the brown. There's so much more on stuff on this side. I prefer this. I don't know why. Well, it's 5 o'clock. We gotta go to the movie in 1 hour and a half, but it's official. I'm done with renovation, completely done. Windows done, even touch-ups near the walls. That's done. The jacks fixed. I didn't have black paint, but the muffler did see heat-resistant paint there. So, wife will be happy. It's done. Man, it's dirty already. Just sitting here is getting dirty. And what else did I fix? I fixed that. Now, exterior lights okay. It was just a bad connection. And I even installed that little lamp here. At night when I'm driving, it's very practical. So, I'm done. No more jobs. That's it for now.